What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic song by David Bowie, The Man Who Sold the World. But I'm doing the take from MTV Unplugged Nirvana version. So let's learn that. If you want to play along with their version, the live version, tune down the guitar to E flat. So half a step, okay? Alright, so the song is in D minor. 1, 2, 3. We got an A major in there. 1, 2, 3. We got an A7 in there. 1, 2. F major. I like to play F like this. First finger, second, third, third. Got a C major in there. 1, 2, 3. And also we got an F sharp. C sharp, sorry. But we'll talk about that when we get there. That's for the chorus. Alright, so it starts with A major. D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major. 1, 2, 3 for D minor. So that's the intro. If you just want to play the chords without the melody. A, D minor. F major. Alright, so if you do want to play the melody, let's try to do it like inside the chord here. So play a big A like this. And then you go. So strum and then 2 hits on the G string while you're holding the chord. Then lift up, open G, and then 3 on G, A, and then same thing over D minor. And over F, it's very hard to play the chord and do the melody at the same time, so pick and choose. Play the F here. If you're just the only guitar player. If you're two, one person can just do the whole time. F major. To D. Now to F major. C2. Right, so there's the main verse. A and the strumming. Down, down, up, down, up. A major, A7, if you want to throw that in, D minor. To F. F to C. A major, down, D minor. That's going to take us to the chorus, C major. And here, if you want to learn that melody, which is kind of that's a classic thing right there. That's 3, 5, A string, 2, 3, 5, D string, and same thing on G string, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and then the chorus starts, C major to F major. Let's play full F major here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. And now we got that C sharp that I was talking about. So that's 4, 6, 6. Back to F major. And then back to C major. F major. And the chorus ends on C sharp major. And then we're back to. Let's do the chorus one more time. Here he starts singing. C major, F major, C sharp, F major, C major, F major, and end on C sharp. Man who sold the world. A major to A7 to D, D major, D minor to A major to F, C major, A major, and D minor. Melody. After they do that second time, they go back to the melody thing. They go straight back to another chorus. So not another verse. So there's another chorus there, and then they end with the melody. That's where that solo part is. They end with D minor, F major. Looping this part. D minor. Okay. So that's all the parts. Let's go over everything one more time before we end the lesson. Intro, A major, D minor, F major, D minor, and if you want to play the melody, do that over the chords. G string, 2 open, 3 2 open. Okay, and then main verses. A major, A7 to D minor. A7. I think A7 sounds better there all the time. F major, C major. It's a little weird timing here. They jump like a bar or something like that, but just listen. D minor, and then chorus. Starts with that scale, Mixolydian scale. 3 5 2 3 5 2 3 5, and then chorus. C major, F major, C sharp, F major, C major, F major, C sharp, man who sold the world. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe, stay healthy. Thank you.